Why did I subtract 5 and get 13 over 18? Because probability is going to be the chance of something happening out of your total chances. Well, what is my total amount of chances composed of? That would be the chance of something happening and the chance of something not happening, which is called your complement probability, and that's what I found. Okay, so the complement probability sometimes is easier to find than the actual probability, because for this one it says that she is going to choose 2 coins that are at least 35 cents. Well, how many ways can you get 35 cents with these coins? I can pull a 10 and a 25, I can pull a 25 and a 25, then I can pull a 25 and a 10. Although these two choices have the same coins, they were pulled in a different order, and that matters with probability. If I wanted to go this route, I would have to find the probability of each chance and then add them all together. Let's go ahead and do that. 10 out of, let me see, 10, I have, so that would be 5 over 9, and I want them both to happen, so that's going to be multiplication. 4 out of 8, because I'm not putting them back into the bag, which would give me 20 over 72. Now a 25 coin is going to be 4 of those, so that's 4 out of 9 times 3 out of 8, which would give me 12 out of 72. And then once again, I have 4 out of 9 times 5 out of 8, which is 20 out of 72. Total probability when I add all these up is going to give me 52 over 72. I can simplify that by 4 and I get 13 out of 18. Now, for some people that's easier. You just have to make sure to remember that, hey, I need to include every possible way that I can get, this at least 35 cents. And that's every combination, the first pull, the second pull, all of that. Now, if I want to do the complement probability, I would look at which way am I not going to get 35 cents, right? So now we're going to do the complement probability. Which way will I not get 35 cents? That'll only be one way, and that's if I pull 2 10-cent coins. Probability of me pulling a 10-cent coin would be 5 out of 9. The next time would be 4 out of 8, which will give me 20 out of 72. Now, when I simplify this by 4, that'll give me 5 over 18. But remember, this is what I'm not wanting. So the opposite, or, the rest of that would be 18 over 18 minus 5 over 18, which gives me 13 over 18. And that would be the probability that I do want.